First stop of the day is this construction dumpster. Let's check it out. Don't mind if I do. First piece of scrap today. Well, I got some more in the truck, but put that right there. I don't see anything. Snippets. I'm not really seeing anything I want to jump in for. Check this one here real quick. Just steel. Since I'm already here, I might as well grab it and jump in there, guys. Probably only a couple bucks worth of steel in here, but man, the last time I did this, I found like a $150 piece of brass. So you never know what you find. £60 right here. 50, 60 pounds. Excuse me.
60 pounds plus another 20, maybe 80 pounds. Not bad for 10 minutes.
Well, guys, that was probably the hardest money I've ever earned. Another bed frame. Gotta be careful with these things, man. They'll chop your fingers off. These are nice, guys. Grass. And they sell for, I think, around $40 to $80, maybe a little more on eBay.
Man. I'll let somebody else have that. That's nice.
That's about a $100 piece of furniture I'm leaving for someone. I just don't want to get it all scratched up. I hate microwaves. I don't use them, but I'll pick them up off the side of the road, throw them in my truck, scrap them. They say our cousins over there in Europe don't use them. They're definitely afraid of them, I guess. Maybe it does something to the food, I don't know. Oh, there's a stove. Let's grab it.
Sure, man, thanks. Let me resituate here. Why not? Thanks, brother.
I don't know if you take toilets, broken toilets.
Nah, I don't do those. Thank you, though.
I think I shocked them when that door busted out. They probably thought I was going to keep it. Sometimes these are aluminum. lots of old furniture out today. Man, this one's seen better days. I like these legs though. Too bad I don't have room for it, man. Oh, it looks nice underneath. It's definitely a vintage piece. Man, I wish I had a place for it.
I like those legs.
Looking for a mark or a name that I don't see anything. The wood alone's worth probably $100. Just strip it down. I don't know, man. Should I just take it? Nah, I'm gonna leave it. I'm a scrapper today, guys, not a woodworker. What? Oh wow, look at those pallets. More wood, guys. Oh, I love those pallets, but oof, they're heavy. No room. Nice. I'll take the aluminum though. It's nice of them to leave it outside the dumpster. As a scrapper. Man, I could build a house with those pallets. Maybe a chicken coop. Too bad. Got ourselves another construction dumpster over here. Let's see what we got. Got some flimsy aluminum rails here. They're pretty much shot. Nah, you wouldn't want to trust your life with this on the second floor. So rotted out. It's right next here to the beach, so the salt water does a number on all these things, corrodes them. I'm surprised they even allow them to use this on the beach. This is like junk aluminum. ways. I'm gonna go grab it. Big pieces of extruded aluminum. This stuff fetches 62 cents a pound. And collect 100 pounds of that, you get 62 bucks. Not too bad. Not too shabby. You know, it adds up when you find it like this. Flimsy stuff. Would you trust your life with this stuff? Nah. Yeah, that was a good haul right there. Let's go around the corner and see if there's more. This contractor got 3 dumpsters for this job. Man, I'm just gonna grab this rail. I've been here like 10 times. It's been just sitting here. I know they're gonna throw it away, or they're just leaving it for me. Yeah, you can see how Jimmy Bob, who weighs like 300 pounds, and he's out there drinking his beer on the 2nd floor, leans on his rail. It wouldn't fare well for him, would it? Probably why they're making him remodel this whole unit. Looks like a nice upright cabinet, well, except for that rust. Got rollers. I would keep that cabinet, but I already got one. A better one than that one that I found. Alright guys, I got like 4 fluorescent lights here. We're gonna get these ballasts off of them. Sometimes I like to sell the ballasts separate. I don't even bother with the scrap yard with them because they only give you like 12 cents or 13 cents a pound for those. But I could sell them online for $5 each. Yeah, and actually some of those LED ballasts are worth a lot more money online, used even. So they can range up to like $50. It just depends on the kind they are. So there's a bit of number 1 and number 2 wire here, so all that gotta get separated. The number 1 wire I hang on to, strip myself, get a lot more money for the bare bright copper. And of course number 2, you just turn it in with the insulation. I'll sell my bare bright online, but I'll also turn it into the scrapyard. I mean, you can't sell it all online, but you can make a little more money online, like on eBay. You can sell 10 pounds of it in a box, make a little bit more money.
If I bend it enough. Do all that later.
Yeah, so if you take your time and clean these up, you'll make a lot more money. You know, you could take them down and just dump them in the steel pile without taking the ballast out at 8.5 cents per pound. Or you can clean them up and you might get $15 to $25. You don't know that. You know, you never know. If you sell the ballast on eBay, you can make a lot more. Just depends on the ballast. Yeah, so I'm leaving a little bit of extra wire on the ballast so I can resell them. Yeah, you can pick up like, I don't know, $5 to $10 each on these ballasts, selling them used. Or you can scrap those ballasts. They're only 13 cents a pound though.